friends, welcome to Kamath Astrology, and in this video we will try to understand the link between Jupiter in different houses and conception. Now Jupiter is the divine guru. He represents higher knowledge, wisdom, divine knowledge and the grace of God. Jupiter is the Karaka for many things, mainly for happiness, children, pilgrimages, travel, long distance journeys, wealth and prosperity. Jupiter represents the Akash Tattva and therefore he also represents the ether element and the oxygen present in the atmosphere. So without Jupiter, there would be no life on Earth, and therefore Jupiter is also known as Jiva Karaka, which also means that whenever a life is born on Earth or whenever there is conception, Jupiter has an important role to play in that. The placement of Jupiter in your horoscope can show certain circumstances under which you are born. If Jupiter is not well placed in your horoscope, it means that you will mostly lack lot of happiness in your life. You will not have bliss and divine wisdom. And unless you make efforts to strengthen this Jupiter, life will seem to be a burden. Now let us understand the link between Jupiter and conception. Let us say Jupiter is placed in the 12th house in the horoscope, and let us say the 12th house is the sign of Pisces. Now 12th house indicates foreign journeys, it indicates travel, it indicates isolation, it indicates temples, it indicates monasteries. Okay, which means when Jupiter is in the 12th house of your horoscope, your birth would typically have taken place when your parents visited a famous temple or a monastery somewhere far away from the homeland. Okay, so sometimes people conceive when they visit temples such as Vaishno Devi and return back. This typically you will see that for such people Jupiter is present in the 12th house in their horoscope. This is true if Jupiter is powerful, exalted and present in the 12th house. If Jupiter is weakly placed in the 12th house, it could mean that your birth would have taken place when there was some hospitalization in the family. So immediately after that hospitalization or that problem, your birth took place. Now let us take another example. If Jupiter is present in the 8th house of your horoscope, generally what this indicates is your birth took place when there were death rituals of someone going on in your family. That is, when you were born, someone had died and the Shraddh rituals were going on at that time. In this case, you will typically find Jupiter present in the 8th house in the horoscope. Now, suppose Jupiter is present in the 6th house in your horoscope. It means that you are born after a great struggle. Okay, your parents had to undergo great struggle so that you are born. Typically, this involves coming out of some legal conflict or coming out of some problem, which means that before you are born, some kind of fight might have taken place and your parents might have been involved in that. So in such cases, you will find Jupiter is placed in the 6th house in your horoscope. Now let us say Jupiter is placed in the 5th house in your horoscope. Okay, and say the 5th house is the sign of Leo. 5th house also indicates mantras, which means your birth took place after certain rituals were performed, after certain mantras were chanted. And if the 5th house is the sign of Leo, it means certain rituals related to fire were performed, and post that you were born. In such cases, you will find Jupiter present in the 5th house in your horoscope. Similarly, if Jupiter is present in the 9th house in your horoscope, okay, it means you are born after your parents visited a pilgrimage center or they returned from a pilgrimage, because the ninth house indicates higher learning, it indicates pilgrimages, and Jupiter indicates the father, which means your parents had visited a pilgrimage center and therefore you have Jupiter in the ninth house. If Jupiter is present in the seventh house of your horoscope, seventh house indicates marriage, partnerships. Okay, and it means you are born after your parents attended the marriage ceremony of someone close to them in your family, or after your father signed a major partnership deal with someone. So, Jupiter here indicates the condition of your birth. Similarly, if Jupiter was in the sixth house, as I said earlier, it means you are born after your parents came out of a very long struggle, some kind of legal conflict, or someone in the family might have been ill just before you were born. Now, let us say in your horoscope, Aries is the first house, okay, and Jupiter is present in the sign of Aries. The sign of Aries is the first house in the zodiac belt. It indicates new beginnings. And the sign of Aries is controlled by the deity Hanuman. So it means you are born when your parents worshipped Hanuman or visited a Hanuman temple and you got the blessings of that deity. And therefore you are born, and this was a new beginning in their life. If Jupiter is present in the second house in your horoscope, say the second house is the sign of Taurus. Now, Taurus sign indicates luxuries, comforts, and your family members, which means you are born after a close family function was held. Okay, you are born in the midst of a lot of family members. If Jupiter is present in the fourth house of your horoscope, it generally indicates you are born when your parents moved to a new house or you shifted locations. That is, your parents shifted locations and it is then that you are born to them. If Jupiter is present in the third house of your horoscope, it means you are born after your father helped certain neighbors or his siblings. Okay, and as a result of that punya karma, you are given birth in that family. When Jupiter is present in the 11th house of the horoscope, 11th house indicates your network of friends. It indicates hopes, aspirations and desires. And when your parents fulfilled certain hopes, aspirations and desires of their friends, by the blessings of those friends, your birth took place, and therefore you will find Jupiter in the 11th house in your horoscope. It also shows that because of this good deed which your parents performed, in this life you are bound to get lot of gains through Jupiter, provided Jupiter is not afflicted. If Jupiter is present in the third house of your horoscope and Jupiter is powerful, in that case you have the blessings of your ancestors, your pitras as well as your neighbors, and this is the reason why you will find Jupiter in the third house in your horoscope. It also makes you extremely courageous, valorous, and a learned person. So, guys, this is the link between Jupiter and conception. So, merely by looking at the position of Jupiter in the horoscope, you can understand what good deeds your parents or your ancestors have done and why you are finding that particular placement of Jupiter in your horoscope. It does not mean that you have done bad deeds in your past life and therefore you are finding Jupiter in a certain house in your horoscope. If you have done bad deeds, then that Jupiter will get afflicted in your horoscope. So the important thing is, even the deeds done by your ancestors, the deeds done by your parents, influence Jupiter or the Jiva Karaka, and this results in happiness in this life or some kind of problems in this life. So Jupiter is the Jiva Karaka and is directly responsible for conception. So, apart from the fifth lord, you also have to look at the position of Jupiter in the horoscope. Without the blessings of Jupiter, there can be no life on earth. Jupiter is actually the grace of God, and Jupiter is the Karaka for wealth, happiness, and children. So, when you have a powerful Jupiter in your horoscope, you automatically have the blessings of God. And even if any problems come to you, this Jupiter will help you overcome those problems. So, whenever you have an exalted Jupiter in the Lagna, in the fifth house, or in the ninth house, it is considered the best position for Jupiter because Jupiter in the trines protects you from all kinds of miseries. So, friends, if you like this video, do mark it as liked on YouTube. To know more about us, visit our website astroseva.tripod.com. For consultations for any queries, email us at astrosevaworld@yahoo.com and we'll be glad to assist you. So, friends, thanks a lot. Take care, stay safe. We'll see you soon again with another video. Till then, bye.